that looks good. What are you doing, babe?
I am pressing merch. As you can see, we have a hoodie, just blank apparel, drawstring bags for Kennedy. She is a new member of our team. And of course, if you are a new member, you need custom apparel. You have a custom hoodie on now. She needs custom shirts. She will be creating videos on our social media and things like that. So she definitely needs the uniform.
Gotcha.
So we're just pressing, taking out the moisture on that. What's your finger?
This is ASMR. This is an ASMR DTF video. Welcome back to another video with straight to the content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And in today's video,
UVDTF on the phone. You like that?
it's no talking ASMR.
For your fancies, ASMR sees. Okay, for this next project, I'm going to bring the temperature down just a little bit.
Yeah, I think it's a good placement. You can go ahead and place it. It's not that serious. You don't need to use your heat tip. Just press it down. Gracias. Keep talking into the camera, but it's the microphone's placed on your shirt. Cállate. Test it out. Microphone's upside down. She don't know how to do this, guys, so just forgive her. Okay, she's gonna record it. Let's go.
That burned. Okay, it's a little hotter than expected. Let's do it again. You need to be 50 feet away from me when I'm handling heavy machinery.
Stop smoking crack, please. What'd you say?
Shout out to Kennedy. We love you. We appreciate you. Thank you for all your help. Thank you for being a part of our team. Sorry. Thank you for tuning in to ASMR Jelly. I don't know why it feels like that.
It doesn't have to be nasty.
I don't know why.
I don't know why you're making it
I
nasty.
think talking like this makes it very seductive.
It doesn't. That's why we're gonna end this video. So thank you for everybody out there who has tuned in.
Comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button. Smash that.
We enjoyed filming it out there for everybody. We love ASMR. If you guys love ASMR, hopefully you hit a thumbs up on that button. Again, we like to be silly in all of our videos. Babe, go ahead, show them the shirt, show them the back. Showing the backpack. Look at that.
This is a drawstring bag, and if you're going to be using drawstring bags, remember to lower your temperature. I know we did it, and we're being a little silly, but this cannot handle the high heat of 300. I brought mine down to 275, and I was pretty satisfied with that. I don't feel like it melted
or
anything.
No,
I think it did really well, and have burned these before in the past, so 275 is really well.
She burns everything.
And
that's the news. Here we go.
Comment down below if you want me to buy face cards. All right, anyway, so this is Ken. We will be mailing these to her, Kennedy, mailing these to her. So we got a gray t-shirt, of course, Flash UV. We have our turquoise, and we have a hoodie. Hoodie season's coming up. So this is all Kennedy's uniforms, and stay tuned for her because she will be more in the spotlight, the face of Flash Custom Transfers. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.